Well, this is our day, week before Christmas. The week of Christmas, yeah, 2 days from now. This is looking west. And here is our backyards. There's Rob's. There's my sitting spot. That's east.
Get some of these trees over here.
Which ones? Oh, I did.
No, you didn't.
Look at that. A mess. Now I want to go over here so I can get the backyard of our house. And there's our house. Luckily the car's out of the way. But look at this. Everywhere. An hour ago it was going off all around me, but it seems to have warmed up a little, I hope. And there's my dear wife out here struggling. Merry Christmas!